Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on iPad mini A17 Pro. So let's start. So at first open App Store and download Google Photos if you don't have this app on device, and then click open to open this application, and then find photo which you would like to edit and just click on it and then click edit right here guys. So here you can see a lot of different options, for example suggestions, crop tools, adjust filters and create guys. So let's start with the crop. Here we can just crop our photo whatever you like, for example like this or like these guys. Then we have option which is called tools. Here we can just use magic eraser and undo. So adjust. Here we can see a lot of different options. We can customize our photo whatever we like. For example, we can change brightness on our photo, contrast, whatever we like, white point, HDR effect, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone. So as you can see, we can do whatever we like in this option adjust guys. Then filters. Here we can just change different filters on our photo, for example like this, and create. We can just make highlight, video, collage or cinematic photo. So then if you're satisfied with the result of your editing of your photo, then click save right here at the right corner and then click save right here guys. So now we have this photo, it's edited. So guys, if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys, bye bye.